So guys, here am I again on boom 500. We want to catch spikes on boom 500 with Parabolic Sar trend indicator. We've done it on all on few assets so far. 75, 150, the volatilities. I've done it on stepping days. I've done it on a range break 100 and 200. So I've done it on boom 1000. Let us check together again on boom 500 whether it works or not. So 500 is telling us sell presently. The signal is telling us to sell. You can use both. You can use this signal or the strategy to trade both trends. You can use it to trade buy or sell, to go long or to go short. Are we together now? So just follow the rules. Then at your leisure time, you can now read to have a vast knowledge on trading generally. But this particular strategy can help you to trade and learn. And at the same time, do you get it now? So it's telling us to sell. That means we'll be having a sell market presently on 5 minutes time frame. Don't forget the rules. Generate signal on higher time frame, take entry on lower time frame. A day time frame to 15 minutes time frame, 4 hours time frame to 15 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame to 5 minutes time frame. And my scalping strategy on what? On stepping days, 1 hour time frame, 5 minutes time frame, and 1 minute time frame. Don't worry when I'm done. I'm still going to come and elaborate on that, show you how I trade on that stepping days. Are we together now? So it's telling us to sell. So if we check this together on 5 minutes time frame, you will see that we'll be seeing more of sell signals. Sell signals. Sell signals. It triggers from here, 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 here. So here. So what is 5 minutes telling us? Sell. Can you see that? You are seeing more of sell signals. More of sell signals. Are we together? Okay. But trading sell on 1500 is not the focus. The focus is what? To be catching spike. That is what most people love on what boom and crash. They don't trade against the spike. So we want to be catching spikes only. So our focus is on buy signals alone here. Are we together now? Okay, so let's go. I don't want the video to be too long. 10 minutes, then I'm out. I will stop at 10 minutes. This is 3 minutes. I have 7 minutes to go. So it's still going up. So let's quickly check this together. What happened inside this buy signal on 5 minutes time frame? Don't forget, when the market is consolidating, don't trade. Don't trade. So you see, we'll be having more of what? Buy signal. Two things, don't forget, that I eat on most. It's either you join immediately or wait for a pullback, then you join the next signal in that trend. So 1 hour is triggered a buy signal, and it peaked. It was around what? 4429830 price action level on 5 minutes time frame when that happened. Don't forget, lower time frame doesn't work independently out of the higher time frame. The higher time frame controls the lower time frame. So while we're already having a buy candlestick signal, the market has already moved on 5 minutes. That is why when it now triggered on 1 hour for the buy signal, actually the market has already moved on 5 minutes time frame. Are we together? So the market was already here on 5 minutes when it triggered on 1 hour. So one, you join immediately. You can see for almost 30 minutes or so, we won, or you wait for a pullback, that like what happened here, or you wait for a pullback, then you join the next signal. Are we together now? So you join the next signal, 1, 2, we won, isn't it? So as I said, when you enter, and the market did not go in our direction, when do we opt out? Using the Bollinger Band. When the market closes, the body of the candlestick closes outside the third line, this is a buy. Now when it closes outside the body of the candlestick, not the wick can cross, but once the body of the candlestick is still inside, stay inside that market. But once the body of the candlestick closes outside, then leave that market. Are we together now? So we are still inside this market despite the pullback, the front and back, and the market will later what went in our direction. One. And I explained that the middle line of the Bollinger Band line was simple moving average 20. You can plot that to what? To check it out. Simple moving average 20. It will laugh on this middle line. So the middle line is meant for re-entry. So we enter here. Our entry was on 4456773. So once the market comes back and touches the middle line, when there's a pullback and it touches the middle line, you take another entry. It's meant for re-entry. So don't enter too much positions. When you take your actual entry at what to go on to, and don't let your lot size to be bigger than your account. That is why we look stupid while trading, or our strategy looks stupid, because our lot size is bigger than our account. So a slight pullback will lose more than 60% of the money. So don't be greedy. Go slow. That is what I usually say. Go slow. I have 4 minutes to go to explain. I don't want the clip to be too long, and I'm going to stick to that time. So we have a pullback, isn't it? We have a pullback after we won that. Then we have another buy entry saying us to buy again. Then we take that. What happened? We won. Can you see that? So it will repeat itself like that every day. The market is repetition, but on different price action level. It will keep repeating itself like that every day. Only if you did not trade, it will keep repeating itself like that. So just follow the signal. So the market went up, we have a pullback, isn't it? What happened again? The market went in our direction, giving us a buy signal again. Trade in the same actual direction. Don't go against the rules. Don't go against the rules. Are we together now? It's telling us to buy. 1 hour I say on buy, then it asks us to buy again, and we did. So it pulled back again. It gave us another buy signal on 4482541. What do? We join the trade. Immediately we join. What happened? We have 3 candlestick, a pullback, 15 minutes candlestick. It touches the third line. The wick is outside, but the body of the candlestick is inside. What do? You stay inside that particular trade. What happened next? Boom. Do you see that now? Catching spike. Very easy now, isn't it? It gave us another entry after this pullback. The market came down. You see, this one closes outside. Do you get it now? We are out. But while we are out, what happened next? The market went in that direction. Follow the rules, please. Follow the rules. Are we together now? So what happened here again? There was a pullback. The market came down. And what happened? The market go in our direction. That is how it works. Let me use the next 1 minute to check another entry. This is 4th. So let me just travel back. Pim. Okay, let me come here. So I want to let you know that the market will repeat itself like that every day. Another buy signal here. I have just 1 minute to go. I'm going to stick to that time. I have another 1 minute to go. So let us check it out together. Yes, 5 minutes time frame. So it will repeat itself like that every day. That is what I want to tell you. What are you seeing inside the box? More of buy signals. And the market is actually going to go in your direction. It will go in that direction. Follow the rules. 1 hour time frame to 5 minutes time frame. 10 minutes time, 4 hours time frame to 15 minutes time frame. D1 to 15 minutes time frame. Generate signal on higher time frame. Take entry on lower time frame. Don't forget to help me subscribe to the channel. The same thing. So I'm coming back on B3, C1, C2, C3. Thank you for watching. It will repeat itself like that again. I still want to go, but I don't want to exceed 10 minutes. That is how the strategy was and how to catch the spikes. The same direction that 1 hour is. Come to 5 minutes and take the same what? The same direction. If the market did not go in your direction, it pull back and closes outside the third body gap. What do? Take your partial loss and leave. Thank you for watching.